I'm Boa. I'm from Korea. I'm studying hospitality management in VanWest College. I was dreaming about working in English culture environment, communicating with the people in English, and I can learn about the English culture. Before I study at VanWest College, I have no idea about the English office culture and how can I write the resume or cover letter or something like this. So my first goal is getting used to English office culture, and I think I did. Thanks to my professor, especially John. He gave me a lot of help when I prepare my interview. We do have a lot of mock interview. VanWest College also have the lesson for business English communication. During this class, I can practice how can I communicate in office culture. I can easily talk to my professor John or my friends next to me. During my co-op term, I provide student service in both English and Korean. At that time, I can communicate it in English with my colleagues. I can experience Canadian working culture. That's the best point of my job. And also, I can meet new people in every week. So for me, that's the great point of the job. Before you take the class, you should prepare for the English conversation skills. Don't put a lot of pressure because your friends and the professor and co-coordinator every step in VanWest always help you, so don't be nervous.